How to start your own poultry farm. In this video, you will learn picking the best niche for you, either layers, broilers, or free range poultry farming, equipments you will need to start poultry farming, where to get more poultry farming information, and how to reduce losses in your poultry farm. Welcome to Agribusiness Insider. On this channel, we post farming and agribusiness videos weekly. Join other farmers by subscribing to this channel and learn more with us. Identify the niche or sector that interests you. This could be layers, broilers, free-range chicken keeping, turkey, or ducks. Choose the one that you feel you want to do and pursue it. Develop a passion for that niche. Truth is, you will face challenges, and without passion, it will be easy for you to give up. Passion helps you overcome challenges, and you will be able to win by the end of the day. Gather useful information. If you want to do either layers, broilers, or free-range chicken, here at Agribusiness Insider, we offer insightful YouTube videos and online courses to equip you for a successful poultry farming agribusiness. We also advise you to network with other farmers, have farm visits, and get exposed to how things are done. Choose a location for your poultry farm. Go for locations with easy access to market, especially near urban areas, because the whole purpose of the business is to sell. Finances. Know exactly how much you will need and how you will raise it. If you can't raise the money alone, pitch the idea to friends or seek a loan from a financial institution. Get skilled labor to reduce the risk of losses. Hire people that are more skilled than you, like veterinary officers, especially when the birds are sick. Business is a teamwork, and you can't do everything alone. Buy all the equipment you need, like feeders, drinkers, etc. For example, you should buy chick feeders and drinkers when you are starting out, and after the birds have become old enough, now you can acquire drinkers and feeders for big birds. Set up the poultry house and get started. You can always start small and grow big. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe, and here we have more videos from our channel, Agribusiness Insider. See you next time.